How to fix Marble Rivals crashing on Steam. So what you have to do firstly, you're gonna have to go to Steam obviously. Then once you're in Steam, you're gonna have to right click on properties. Then once you're in properties, you're gonna have to go to general and make sure you have this on. Enable the Steam overlay while in game. Then once you turn that on, you're gonna have to go to updates and make sure the game is updated to the latest version. Then once you do that, you're gonna have to click on install files. Then once you're on install files, you're gonna have to click on verify this game's file are installed correctly. Then once you do that, it might take a while, but it's going to verify your game. What this is doing, this is basically updating your game to the latest one possible. They're going to delete all the glitches and everything you're going through, and it's going to fix the problem most likely. While you're waiting for the game verification, you're going to have to click on browse. Then once you click on browse, you're going to have to right click on multiverse. Now from here, make sure you have allow for every single one. So you're going to have to click on edit. Then you're going to have to select every single one. Then you're going to have to click on OK. Then once you do that, you're going to have to go on customize. Once you click on customize, you're gonna have to click this option right here. You're gonna have to click OK. Then once you do that, you're gonna go to temp, right click on it, click on delete, click on yes. Then once you do that, you're gonna have to go back now. Wait a few minutes. Your game is still verified. Just wait a few minutes. Then once your game finally verifies, you have fixed that problem. Thank you for watching the video. If this would have helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.